guys, I look like crap, but that is okay. So it is currently 11:29. I just wasn't like ready to grab the camera this morning. I was debating if I should even vlog. Like, I like vlogging. I do. It gives me motivation. It gives you guys entertainment. It's a win-win for both. But there's just sometimes it's like I just don't want to because I feel like it's the same stories over and over again. But I'm gonna stay home. I really want to go somewhere today, but I'm gonna stay home. We might go for a walk. But they just did open phase 2 in my area. Now I don't know how everybody else's area is doing, but phase 2 means that they're opening a lot more stuff. The parks are opening, the playgrounds, the splash pads are opening, so that's a plus. So I'm thinking, you know, with Ben and his 2 friends that we haven't seen in months, I was thinking of messaging his mom because her and I are really good friends. Her name is Jennifer. We were thinking to just, you know, maybe get together and having a play date, or they could come to our house and go swimming or something. But I'm gonna message her. She works weekend, or she works overnights on the weekend, so she's probably sleeping right now, so I'm just gonna wait a little bit till later in the afternoon before I message her. We'll plan a day this week. I was working on my other cup today, which I'm pretty excited for that. I ordered my jewels for that because I plan on making a cup for my mom, and then Graham's coworker wants me to make her one, so I'm gonna make her one. I have 5 other cups to make, you guys, so I want to kind of work on that also. But yeah, so this is like the stuff that I have to bring downstairs. I organized all the totes last night. If you guys think about it, everything that I sold of my stockpile stuff yesterday or this weekend, I sold 95% of it, maybe 98%. I made 2 boxes of stuff that I'm gonna sell for my next garage sale of the stuff that I was selling, and everything else got pretty much packed up or donated. And then I sold pretty much, like, I want to say 98% of my stockpile stuff. So that was awesome. I only had 6 totes with a couple items in there. The only thing that did not sell out was the toothpaste, which is totally fine. Those are easy items to, you know, donate and stuff. But that is, you know, pretty. I Grab's a lost cause. But Charlotte slept all night last night. She's currently on her 2nd nap. She's been sleeping about 2 hours. I had just had my breakfast. I got to take my medication. But I'm gonna clean up the house today. I got a load of laundry going. I'm gonna load the dishwasher up, get the dishes washed, and just pick up. Today's my day to just catch up on things, and then I plan on just, you know, relaxing with the kids later tonight. And then tomorrow I think I'm gonna go to town because Graham got these cards, which I'll show you guys when he has them put away so the kids don't ruin them. But he ended up getting these pack of cards that are uncut. A couple of you guys said you wanted to see it, so I have to go to Hobby Lobby to get a frame because they're the only one that has a frame that would fit what he has, and I don't want to pay the custom charge for it. And Hobby Lobby, is, from what I saw, is the only store that has that size in the you know, in person, because Michael's doesn't have that size. I just made an online order for Michael's because it's cheaper for me to do an online order and do in-store pickup because I get 5% cash back with my websites. Plus I get 20% off all regular price items. So I ordered 3 of more of those tumbler cups to work on. Huh? You can play with your chalk. Yeah, I'll watch you draw chalk. Just give me 1 second. So we got that going on. Ben just wants to play with chalk. Can you say hi?
I was on a garbage can, put a table on it, and it went down, and then you had to put more stuff in it. Yeah.
My little tush man. So that is what's going on. I'm like hungry all of a sudden. I think I'm gonna make cookie dough, you guys. Like, Graham's been buying this cookie dough at Quick Trip, and I like wasn't eating it for a while, and then I'm like just addicted to it, and I'm like, why not make my own? I have all the ingredients here. The thing is, they said that you need to cook, like heat up your flour, because they said like raw flour is kind of bad for you. And I'm like, okay, I didn't know that. Like, if you eat too much of the flour. So I think we're gonna make cookie dough today to eat.
I'm going to go outside, Mommy.
Yeah, we'll go outside in just a second. And that's pretty much it, you guys. I'm ready to, it keeps going out of focus, but I'm ready to pick up, get stuff started, get everything ready, and just relax for the rest of the day. The weather is gorgeous out, so we can keep the windows open and get that fresh air going all throughout the house. But yeah, that's what I plan on doing, and then I'm gonna work on my cup some more. I'll show you guys how far I've gotten. So last night I was watching a movie, and then I started watching 13 Reasons Why, but I was working on this while I was, like, what's wrong? I was working on this, but I'm putting my name on it, so if you guys can kind of see, I'm putting my name on it. I just ordered more jewels for this, so I'm going to, if you guys can kind of see it, it's not going to focus, but I'm going to put jewels on that, so I'm pretty excited with this. You know, it's getting, I just need more practice. And then I also got some pop sockets that I'm going to jewel up because I want to decorate some pop sockets. You know, why not? I can change out my stuff and make it all good. So I'm going to jewel up pop sockets, which I'm pretty excited for. But yeah, that's how my day is going. I'm going to let you guys go. But I mean, if you guys, okay, I'm going to show you guys my living room. So this is what I'm going to plan on picking up today. We've been really keeping up with it, but it's just little things here and there. I got to throw some garbage away. Pillows are my main concern. Graham and Ben just throw their trash on the floor. But this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to pick all this stuff up today, you guys, and put it all away. So let's go guys, clean.
So
I've been slacking on vlogs, which is totally fine. I said today I was just kind of out of it. But it is 5:34. We just got done eating dinner. And I'm starting to write down everybody's order for cups or whatever you guys want me to make. You can do whatever. One of you guys sent me a message, and I cannot find the message anywhere. I have no idea where it is. I mean, I have 5 different spots where people can send me a message, and I can't find it. I don't know what happened. I don't know if the conversation got deleted accidentally. I have no. But one of you guys wanted me to make a unicorn cup, and it was for a birthday, and I cannot find the conversation anywhere. I mean, I've looked at my personal Facebook, I've looked at my other Facebook, I've looked on Instagram, I looked on both Deals by DesignerJen and Jen Made It. Cannot find this conversation whatsoever. I know I did not delete it, but I'm just like, where did it go unless I accidentally hit a button? Oh, you guys, like, I'm just trying to figure out where I sent it or where it is. So I'm really trying to find it. So if you guys did have me make you something, please let me know, because I cannot find this conversation anywhere. It's driving me nuts. Like, I've looked and I've looked and I've looked and I've looked. I mean, unless I look at responses, but I don't even know how to find, because if I click the word done, then I don't know if it completely disappears or not. So I don't know. But if you guys, if you did send me a message, please send it to me again, because I cannot find it. I don't know what the heck happened. I don't know. I'm gonna try to find it some more and see what happened. But yeah, so that's what I'm working on right now. I made order forms, you guys. I printed off some, I made some order forms so I can have everything all written down. So I got 2 orders here, and then I gotta make another one. Actually, that reminds me, I gotta make another order form for another person and get the details all for that. And so then when I have stuff made, I have it all organized. But right now I'm just getting everything everything picked, or I'm getting everything all ready. And then tomorrow I plan on cutting and doing a bunch of stuff. We're gonna read some library books in a couple minutes. Both kids are gonna want to read with us, but that's what I'm doing right now, is just getting everything prepared. What about it?
There's like a lot of dust flying around.
Yeah, it's dust. It's like stuff that, it's from the cottonwood tree that's outside. But I will catch you guys back in a bit. So it is currently 9:29. I just put Charlotte to sleep. I was working on my cup throughout the day, still waiting for some answers on a couple people, but I am gonna start watching 13 Reasons Why. Another show that you guys keep saying and I totally forgot about is You. I have seen the first season. I liked it and then got bored with it, and then I liked it, so we will see what happens. But that's probably the next show that I'm gonna binge watch. But you guys, I put ice. Okay, Graham left for work at like 11:30, and I put a pop in here, soda, at 11:30 right when he left, and it is still cold, you guys, and it is 9:30. I mean, oh, it's almost, right now it's 10 hours and it's still cold. This is a really good insulated glass. I love it. So yeah, I didn't do very much. I did talk to my friend. We haven't seen each other in months. I want to say I haven't seen my friend Jennifer since February. End of February was the last time we saw her, and they just lifted a lot of stuff in this area. I'm still taking my precautions and stuff, you know, keeping the hands clean. I got hand sanitizer everywhere I go. But Ben really wants to play with his friends at the splash pad. And usually the kids don't go near each other. They just run all over the place. So we are planning to meet at a new splash pad that they just opened in my area. It was there last fall they finished it, but they didn't open the actual splash pad. But it's got 2 little parks. So I told her, I says, let's meet there after Charlotte's nap, and we'll bring some food, and we'll just have like a little lunch and then the splash pad. And she's like, sounds great. So we're gonna do that for a couple hours tomorrow, because then I told her I need to be back before Charlotte takes her second nap, because I'm really trying to keep a schedule for her, because then we get sleep at night. So that's what's going on. I asked Graham if I could run to town tomorrow. He's like, why? I want to hang out with you. And I says, yes, but I like to run errands. And he's like, well, bring the kids. And I'm like, but I can get 5 times done faster without bringing the kids. Like I said earlier, I need to go to Hobby Lobby to pick up a frame. I need to go to Michael's to pick up some stuff I ordered. I also need to go to Kohl's, maybe, I don't have to, but go to Kohl's to return something. And then I want to go to the Dollar Tree. Now, tell me if you guys have ever wanted to do something like this. So when I go to shopping, especially like CVS and Walgreens, I have my clipboard, and I'm always dropping stuff. Like my clipboard, I have it sitting in the seat, and then it like falls here, it falls there, I'm dropping stuff, whatever. I kind of want to make a cart table. I was trying to Google something, there's nothing out there, there's just nothing out there, and I was thinking of making like a little DIY with something, and I'm trying to figure out how to make it. I was thinking of taking like some clipboards and maybe some boards or something. I'm trying to figure out how I'm gonna do it, but I really want to make like a little table, because I want to have a spot where I have my piece of paper, I have a spot where I have the coupons that I'm going to be using, and I have a spot where the coupons that I am using, because I like to have them already prepared. And so I kind of want to do that, and then I want to have like maybe a pen holder or something like that. I don't know. Let me know if you guys want to see something like that, because I know it's going to be weird walking in a store with this big board, but the stores that I shop at, they know what I'm doing, you know, and it's just kind of nice to have like an actual table with areas in there, because then I could be more organized. It could be a whole lot faster, because like when I'm at Walgreens, I'm sitting there flipping through my coupons, and then CVS, I'm just sitting there flipping through it, especially with like those CRTs that I have. I'm just like, ugh. But let me know if you guys want to see something like that. I'm definitely going to make something, or if you guys have anything like that, but I think I'm going to make something. I really want to make something. It just came to me. I still need to do this thing I need to do with the PVC pipe, but we're always just been busy, so I haven't had a chance, because I need Graham to help me with that. But I want to start bringing more DIYs with me. I am going to show you guys a video on my cups. I'm going to do it with this cup when I get more of them. I have jewels coming in. I'm going to do that. I'm going to start doing more Cricut videos on like where to get the best stuff for Cricuts, or for Cricut materials. So I'm going to start working on that. I'm slowly taking notes for everything. But just right now, couponing is just, it's still popular, but I'm not getting as many views as I used to be. I'm not getting as many subscribers as I used to be, because if you guys think about it, I hit 40,000 right when this lockdown happened, and I usually get about 1,000 a month. I've only gained 500 since March 15th. 500 since March 15th. That's really bad, and I know a lot of people are still not couponing, because, you know, every area is different, but I want to bring more to my channel than just couponing. I'll still do Walmart. I'm just not ready to do Walmart yet. Ibotta. A lot of you guys have been complaining about Ibotta. You know, they have it where you can scan your items, you fix your receipt, then all of a sudden you get approved for whatever you didn't. I mean, I fixed it and then they still approve, they didn't even approve what I scanned. I emailed them and some people are having problems. I wonder if Ibotta is hurting. You know, I mean, the lack of their customer service, the lack of the app, having nothing but problems. Graham mentioned this, and I've mentioned this several times, that I don't know if the app is possibly hurting, you know, and I have money in there, so I might start redeeming money because, or I'll just send everything to my PayPal, because if they're hurting, I want to make sure I get my money. So that's what I'm going to do. I got some money in there, and I'm just going to transfer it all, probably to PayPal, because that's what I've been paying with a lot of stuff. When I buy stuff online, I always use PayPal. So, I don't know. What's your intake on Ibotta, you guys? I know a lot of you guys have mentioned that they're just going, I don't know if they're hurting. It could be a company. And I don't have anybody to talk to at that app to see if they are hurting. Like, I messaged, you know, Saving Star at one point, and they said, no, they're still doing good. So, Checkout 51, I haven't been pretty active on that stuff, but I've been really, you know, trying to keep active on the P&G every day. I gotta scan some receipts, and then tomorrow's like the day I gotta scan a bunch of receipts, and then I gotta do the Kellogg's Family Rewards for that, for the free books. And yeah, so I read a bunch of books to Ben. He was pretty excited. He wanted me to keep reading. I'm like, Ben, I gotta take a break. So I want to go to the library also, but the library is only taking reservations right now to let people in, I think, but today's phase 2, so I'm not sure, but I might just go in sometime later this week by myself, or I can see if the kids can come with me. And I'm gonna get more books for Ben because I really want him to do really good on this reading program. Last year we read 60 books. I want to see if we can get to 80. We will see, but I will catch you guys all tomorrow. Sorry for the long talk, but you guys have a nice night, and I'll see you guys all later. Bye bye.